I don't know what I'm doing. I'm being taught as I'm doing this. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is Lau Lau. All right, we're gonna be prepping some tea leaves here. We're gonna cut the ends of them off. Come up just a little ways and notch down into that spine. Don't go too deep, otherwise you'll end up tearing through the leaf and then run it off the edge of the table. Just like that. That makes it a lot more flexible, and then I was told it won't poke through the rest of the taro leaves and the aluminum.
We'll see the pro doing it. There we go.
This is how you're supposed to do it.
That's
Scary?
scary.
Look at that. Look how fast she is.
So we got a few of these to make, and then we'll move on to the next step. That's beef.
Yeah, this is the beef. So these two, any kind of fish.
Any kind of fish.
We like to get butterfish.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that caught?
Okay, we're going to be seasoning up the pork and the beef with just salt. That's all we're going to do. This isn't the Chef Dad smoked salt. I knew I'd forget something back at the house. I'm just going to evenly coat everything, and then I'm going to mix it up. All right, then we're going to go in with the 1/4 cup on the beef. Okay, we've got the pork salted, got the beef salted. We haven't done anything with the fish. Fish is just going to go into the tea leaf and the taro leaves as is.
Just grab one. Since the big one is good.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be turbo and then it's sure get fat in it.
Good amount of fat, good amount of meat.
Yeah. And you just wrap it.
Anyway?
Yeah,
Okay.
just try to make it tight as possible.
Then we come over to a tea leaf.
Yep. Just roll it in there. Grab it. Grab the foil.
And we're just sealing it up.
Seal it up.
Easy enough. We're going to end up putting it in a steaming tray. Just like that. Now we got a few more to go. So this is traditional Hawaiian dish.
Yes.
These are going to braise, steam for a long time.
Those are tender.
Yeah, you got to be a little careful. Your thumb will go right through them.
Yeah.
A process.
Look at that, even Chef Dad's doing it. I'm assuming that the beef is going to melt down just like in this video over here, my beef cheek and oxtail stew. Check it out. All right, it's getting full. There's 2 trays to this, so I think we're going to fill up another tray. I'm going to do whatever Jackie tells me to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate all of you. Second tray on. Starting to stack them. We got a little bit more to go. I don't know if you can see over here.
You got the assembly line going.
Yeah, 1, 2. That's big, is it just one? Oh. Okay.
Okay, just finishing up. Ran out of pork and beef here, and we're just going to finish wrapping them up and get them steaming. Last one, we're going to put it in. Dad's going to grab the camera and bring it back over here. What you think?
Put the lid on. Fire it up.
That's a nice
I
burner.
really like that burner. That's a really nice burner.
Your pot don't get all black.
Yeah.
All blue flame. It gets pretty windy sometimes, so I just close the door. Just let it cook.
You ever have to add more water to it? through the?
Sometimes you don't need to.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of juice from the Lau Lau itself. Maybe 4 hours, we just rotate it. Put
Okay.
the bottom on the top.
All right. I guess we'll see you when we get to that point. Getting some fluid dripping down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, plenty.
Doing good. Got that nice fluids all dripping down in there, and just swapping them around. It smells good, doesn't it? It smells so good. All right. Now let the Lau Lau hang out for another few hours. While we're waiting on the Lau Lau, we're gonna have a special treat. We're gonna get to have some Takoyaki. Dad's excited. He hasn't had it since he was 19 years old. Special sauce.
It's for only takoyaki. Chippy. Just as a seaweed. Aku shake. Okay, it's ready.
Okay.
It's hot inside.
I've never had it before, so I'm gonna give it a try. Good stuff.
Oh boy.
Put that popcorn.
What a treat.
No?
That is so good. How do you tell when it's ready?
Oh yeah, it's ready.
He's got the touch.
Yep, it's ready.
And look, he's wearing the t-shirt. Yeah.
Chef Dad.
Turn off the propane and let it cool down. Okay, we're gonna get a look inside of this Lau Lau package. Beautiful package. So here's the Lau Lau. And I'm gonna have to wait a minute before I can get a bite of that. It is hot. Broth tastes good. Just gonna pull a piece off here. Yep. Here's the beef. That is really good. Oh man. Yeah, that has almost a grape leaf flavor and then really nice braised beef. There's a piece of the fish. It soaked up all that pork fat, that beef fat. It tastes really, really good. Here's the pork. That's a great meal. That's a meal in a bag right there. I'm finished doing. All right, everybody. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked this one for you. There's a subscription button right over here. Click it. I need you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.